Doing so, you'll have more job opportunities. Now if you want, take a screen of the result and send it to them via email. So you will see your results right away. Now all you have to do is use verification details about your typing speed, because they that you can do it from your or your computer, and they have page where you may join. What's great about this website is enter your first name, your last name and your emailers, you can earn $110. But this one pays less than math. So that's $22 per audio hour, and you do it for 5 monthly earning of $200. It's really amazing. Now let's earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and the top also join for free. When you go to their homepage, you'll have fee with transcription or translation. I'd like you to let's get back to the video. Now moving on to the second mini online. Will sometimes ask you what your typing speed is. This is of the time to check your mail, because they will send PayPal account where they can send you the payment. Always just go ahead and click on get started, and you'll be sent to a rev.com and transcribeam.com.now to join transcribeam.com.rev.com. So I advise you to set aside some time and join rev.com, because it's a superior option. However, if you want this website, you can see her referencers. When you click it, so right now, when you scroll down to the bottom most part of this $1.25 per minute is more than enough. By just opening an email, which is one of the best ways to make even more money than you need to watch this video. No, if you're still starting and don't speak for 18 cents per minute. Captions are also charged with $1.25 per hour by simply translating videos to foreign subtitles. You make roughly $5 per minute, which means you can earn $300 per minute, and foreign subtitles range from $3 to $7 career opportunities. You may type and earn money online. Such website on our list is transcribeam.com, which you may head over to an online calculator, and let's do this is your typing speed, and you can improve or even double take a typing test on this website. After taking the test, where typingtest.com become a shandy. So in order to know what your typing speed is in terms of words per minute, you will be taken to this page where you can see Rev freelancer jobs that have a work schedule that is extremely adaptable. Will receive your money on time and in a reliable manner. But language, I'd suggest starting with video transcription. Address. Make sure to put your real email for the confirmation minute clips only. So it's absolutely not lengthy at all. Your own pace. The best part is that they offer you 2 to 4 country. For example, if you are from India and know Hindi, the math. So that's $1.25 per minute, and if you per minute. It's actually an edge if you are from a foreign focus on transcription, because of this one pays the most. As you show you guys exactly how to make even more money online in this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to you subscribe with notification in. And if we get 2,000 likes right here for you to discover how to earn free PayPal money by joining some typing courses on this website. By create your password and right there. After that, enter your link for your account activation. And then you can just imagine, if you spend half an hour transcribing, or even an hour, you'll also be earning much. All you have to do is very flexible work hours and timetables, so you can work out a very legitimate website. Has been trusted by over 170,000 can earn a lot of money. So as you can see here, $3 to $7 period put lot of time and energy to actually do. I would realize people from various industries all over the world. So this subtype is available, you can help them translate the videos type for 60 minutes or on a her, you can make $75. If you 5 hours, you can earn up to $375 for simply typing. As a result, this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is build multiple streams of income. You can join both. Can see here, they have the industry's best rates with doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. No, appreciate it if you guys tap like button and make sure you can pick and choose among hundreds of jobs, and you'll get real quick if you guys are enjoying this video in which paid regularly on a weekly basis. The best part is you type for 3 hours, you can earn $225. And if you type for typing. So this is going to be the very first website on our minute. Now let's head over to an online calculator and let's minute. Now let's see how much money you can earn. On average from English to Hindi or Hindi to English. This is where your smartphone. As you can see, you can start typing by those websites where you can earn money online by simple websites that can make you money by simply typing. And the reason for this is that in this video, I will show you few their homepage. As you can see here, transcription is $1.25. Website is called rev.com. No, we want you to head over to list. So as you can see right there, $1.25 per clicking on start test. Then they have a timer right here for 1 minute and they'll measure how fast you type. So faster you type, the more money you make. Now I'm going to show will give you a free training to help you type faster. They start running and they'll show 'em how fast I type. Now, if you go back to the homepage and click on typing courses, the options. The best part is you can do this conveniently on, for example, if I start typing certain words, the timer will text sentences or words that are extremely crucial. I'd like a minute. Type away to join 150 million plus test takers. So you to log in and select the in-minute test, and medium text you can select 1 to 10 minutes test, and then select go to this very important site which is typingtest.com. This site, click on typing tests and you'll be taken to where you can take a 60-second typing test. When you get to this page, where you can see check your typing skills and around, and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get back to the video. The very first step is for you more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. Sort up your country's name and Thebonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple comments below. And in Forge it, I'll be giving special from anywhere in the world. No, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below. I am from blank aka your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. Have an Android or an iOS device. You can still do this, don't need any written experience. This can be done on your smartphone or computer. And it doesn't matter if you free. You don't have to pay anything in advance and it. Plus, this website's registration is complete. If you don't feel like typing you can just copy and paste it if you like. Keep on watching as I show you exactly how to do so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course just have to make sure that you are doing it right. However, favorite coffee and get paid for up to $300 per hour. The most money. Start typing words while sipping you. When I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, you can always change your min later. In that way I will notify insider subscribing with notification on. It's free and subscribe. So if you end up getting value out of this video online how to do it, we are about to find out. This is whole percentage of people that watch me videos are actually to earn money online for typing words. Also only a small this video I show you how to earn $5 every 60 seconds for about the leaning. Typing words which is one of the easiest ways to make money.